In this video, I am going to show you a quickest way to make money with MaxBounty. I am going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process. So watch this video till the end so that you don't miss any crucial information that I am going to provide you in this video. If you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel, and if you think this video added some value to your life, then please do like this video. If you understand the full strategy that I am going to show you in this video, then you can keep on making money for years and years to come. So don't miss any part of this video and watch this video till the end. Now without doing any delay, let's get started. Firstly, you need to have an account on MaxBounty. If you don't have an account on MaxBounty, then just simply visit to maxbounty.com and then click on are you an affiliate in MaxBounty, and then follow their step-by-step application, and soon you will be able to create your account on MaxBounty. Of course, MaxBounty have a little bit complicated process on accepting affiliates, but it is worth trying and signing up to MaxBounty. In case if you are not able to sign up to MaxBounty, then you can go with the alternative affiliate network like ClickBank, Digistore and many more. But for this video's sake, we need a MaxBounty account, and I already have a MaxBounty account, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to make money in the quickest way possible in MaxBounty. Once you create your account on MaxBounty, then simply sign into MaxBounty and you will see somewhat this kind of interface, or a little bit different interface. Whatever it is, just click on this source, and in source just select United States and select in category surveys, and then just click on approved to run and click on apply source. Now you will see various survey offers that you can promote and make money for people just submitting their email address. So whenever people come to these offers and submit their email address, then you are going to get paid. But if you notice in this offer, there is an offer that is called Survey Junkie US DOI. So DOI means double opt-in, SOI means single opt-in. So what does that mean is, SOI, single opt-in, means someone just need to enter their email address and you are going to get the pre-decided amount. And what the double opt-in DOI means is, people need to submit their email address and also go to their email address and verify that they have signed up to this survey site, and that is called DOI. And whenever people will do that, in case of the Survey Junkie, you are going to get $6.40, which is pretty high compared to other surveys or this lead submit offers. So for this video's sake, we are going to select this offer, and we are going to see how you can exactly promote and get people to sign up to this offer in an easy way. So first thing, just click on this offer and check out every details that you can find inside this offer. You cannot do brand bidding, you cannot promote this offer by targeting the keyword like Survey Junkie in Google ads or Bing ads. Okay, so brand bidding is not allowed. You do have opportunity to promote this offer in search engine, and we are going to do that, and I'm going to show you exactly how. And you can bring up to 200 sales. So if you brought 200 sales, just calculate the amount that you are going to get paid. If you calculate it properly, then it would be like 200 into 6.4, $1280. So you can make up to $1280 per day if you did everything well, and if you watch this video till the end and learn the exact knowledge that you're going to use in order to promote this offer in an easy way. Okay, so once you come to this page, then the process of getting your affiliate link is extremely easy. You just need to click on build tracking link, just click on it and select this source, and then again select this source, and here is your affiliate link. Just click on this copy link and you will get your unique affiliate link that you can promote. And whenever any people click on this link and visit to the official site of Survey Junkie, and if they submit their email address and verify it, then you are going to get paid $6.40 per person. So now once you get your link, then you need a landing page where you need to place this link. And for landing page, we are going to use a free software that you don't need to pay. Okay, and that free software is called System.io. It will cost you $0 per month, and you can create up to 3 sales funnel and 10 sales funnel steps. So basically 10 sales funnel step, you can create 10 different landing pages for absolutely free inside this System.io. So just sign up to System.io, or what you can do is, I'll give a share funnel link in the description of this video, which will give you automatically a landing page that you are going to need in order to promote the Survey Junkie offer. This landing page is basically simple. You can create it by yourself, but I have already created it for you. So you can just click on the link that is in the description of this YouTube video, and you will automatically get this landing page. And when you get this landing page inside System.io, then what you can do is you can just click on this funnels. If you are not seeing funnels at here, then make sure you select any drop down that you see at here, and you will be able to see that funnels inside this drop down. So once you see this, then just select the funnel that you are going to use in order to promote the survey offer. So this is the funnel that you need to promote the survey offer. Just click on it, and then you can change this log. You can change it to UK, Canada, or 1 2 3 4 5, whatever you want, you can do it at here. And once you do that much, then just click on this save and click on this edit page. Now once you see this kind of interface, you don't need to do anything. You just need to change the link in the bottom. Okay, whatever link is at this bottom, you just need to change it, and here is the place where you can change the link. So let's go to our MaxBounty and copy the link that we have previously generated. Just copy this and go to here and just delete this link and paste here your special affiliate link at here. And once that is done, just click on save changes and go to this exit. Now you can simply click on this link and you will get your affiliate link, your special link for that landing page. Okay, so if I paste this landing page link, then you will see your landing page looks like this. Now whenever someone clicks on this and sign ups to Survey Junkie, then you are going to get paid over $6. Once you have completed this much process, then what you need to do is you need to type on Google Microsoft Ads coupon. So Microsoft Ads regularly keeps on making various type of promotion where you can get free advertising credit. So you can click on any link that you can see at here. Previously Microsoft Ad used to provide $100 ad coupon if someone spent $25 on Microsoft Ad, but now they have changed that. Okay, so if you click on, you can click on any link and visit to our website and just click on this link, then you will see this kind of interface where you will see that you can get up to $500 in search advertising when you spend $250 in Microsoft Ads. Okay, so if you spend $250 inside Microsoft Ad, then you are going to get an additional $500 to do free advertisement inside Microsoft Ads. So it's worth trying. If you don't have this much money, then also you sign up with that link, so that if in future you make that kind of spend in Microsoft Ad, then you will get this kind of free ad credit. So just visit to the site of Microsoft Ad with this coupon and just click on start now and create your free account on Microsoft Ads. Or if you found out confusing to create a Microsoft Ad account, then there is a solution for that also. So that what you can do is, I'll give a link in the description of this YouTube video, okay, where I have shown you a ClickBank tutorial to make money on ClickBank. Okay, and I have used Microsoft Ad. Okay, I have started from creating Microsoft Ad account and showing you each and everything in a step-by-step process on how you can promote ClickBank offers inside Microsoft Ad. Now if you watch this video till the end, then what happens is you will learn two things. You will also learn to promote ClickBank offers by using direct linking method, and you are also going to learn to promote this kind of landing page inside Microsoft Ad in a step-by-step process on how you need to create a campaign, how you need to use keyword. Each and everything you will understand inside this full tutorial, full course video, and I'm going to give the link of this full video in the description of this YouTube video. So basically, if you go to the description of this YouTube video that you are watching right now and click on this show more, then you will see various links of my other useful YouTube videos that are related to making money online. And you can also see this section, watch my other useful YouTube videos, in which you will see this free ClickBank full course, make money on ClickBank step by step. This is the link that will take you exactly to this video, where you can watch this video that is of 1.5 hours, I mean like it is of 2 hours, okay, where I have guided you in a step-by-step process on how you can exactly launch a Microsoft Ad campaign to promote ClickBank offers in a profitable way. Okay, and you can watch this video till the end. So guys, in this way, if you use the Survey Junkie offer that pay you $6 just for email submit and verification, and then create a landing page inside System.io with a free plan of System.io, and get this Microsoft Ad coupon and run a campaign on Microsoft Ad after watching this full detailed tutorial of Microsoft ad that I have shown you, then no one can stop you from keep on making money for years and years to come. Now after watching this video, you are not only going to be able to promote Survey Junkie offer, okay, you are going to also learn how you can promote clickbank offer. So this video is worth watching, you can watch it. So guys, altogether this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please smash that like button and do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next videos where we will talk about more interesting ways to make money online. So for now, I want to take a leave. Take care, have a great life ahead. Bye bye.